we are about to partly, or temporarily at least, retire this mount. It's got a few issues. I need to work on some power switches in here. Also with my latest project, this is taking up prime location. So I'm gonna use the pier here for my new mount. Yes. Yeah, that's it. It's been working in here for quite a while. I might have to do some redesigning of the pier, maybe get a bit higher up. The new mount is smaller, so we're not going to get this level of the telescope. But anyway, that's it. So that's what we're doing now. All right. It's been a blast having it. It's been a really nice project, but yeah, it's quirky. Yeah, just taking scooter motor and making something like this out of it was a lot of fun. But that's it. So this is how much that corrodes up, leaving it. So anyway, so I'll probably just brush that off and paint it while it's like this. And this is just going to be, like I said, screwed in about there. Yeah, so this is how the roof of Astroboden looks in the snow. So I put a little tarp over it to make it easier to get off, and also to reinforce the fabric, which is otherwise quite soft. Yes, so that's it. Gonna remove that now. Right, so this is what the inside looks like. Everything seems to be holding up pretty good. Still with the snow on top of it. So these spokes here, well, for the price of it, quite sturdy. So right. So the weather is absolutely terrible. It's like it's been 10 to 15, 17 minus for a while. A lot of snow, like 30 centimeters or something. And now it's been like sub-zero, just around zero, raining. Yeah, it's like a glass surface on everything. And fix another door option. So then, here we are. So I've been working a little bit on it. See how it works today.
Into the cold darkness we stride, eyes adjusting to the night, grinding gears slowly moves our gaze. Through the looking glass we see the light of space.
Right, so I wonder if I can get in. Hurting myself, there we go. So, let's see if everything is powered up. Bit jerky. It's mainly because it's too quick. smoother. Pretty nice. So, well, in that case, I need to start connecting things up. Okay, so we're on a clock here. Basically, it was not supposed to be clear for any foreseeable future. Disassemble this to add a little nut here. It's not a disadvantage to have some balancing, so I used to add a little bit of attachment to get some balancing on there. This is just a 1 kilo weight with a 0.25 kilo counterweight bar, but it's gonna improve things, I hope. We'll see. Right, so today we get to try that out. Fucking awesome. Fucking awesome. Right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take everything back outside and just mount everything on the pier. Okay. So I basically had a little rebuild motor change on my strainwave gear mount. Not sure if it's gonna be an improvement, we'll see. So I can actually use Wi-Fi. Yeah, I can connect to the mount with the network settings in Ecos. But when I tried to calibrate, it just didn't work. So I think that the delay, the latency is just too long. I had the plan to use like at least a local router, a wired router in that case. Just plug straight into it, so you have this own little network, and maybe it could be okay. Yes. So I got some reflective things here. That is because I have a heater here, and I wanted to see if I could have like I said, I tried to get like a slightly temperate place in here, so that to keep the dew away, and to see how it works. I guess I don't know. Right now, I do need also this. The walls here are OSB sheathing, and it's quite bright, so it reflects light from everything, like the moon and stuff. So, regardless, I have like a super dark cloth that I just hang over in the direction I'm pointing, just to make sure that I don't get too much reflections coming in. So nice, quiet. Yeah, clean up. So I'm planning to shoot something in Ariga, where you have the Flaming Star Nebula, and you have, I think, the Spaghetti Nebula. Never done that. That would be amazing. Don't know if I can do that, but I guess I could. Yeah, why not? I mean, it's not. I can't do that for maybe 2-3 hours maybe, but you know, that's a good start. Yeah, do that. So I'm gonna go in and get the cloth to hang over this the wall here to get rid of reflections.
With celestial motion, together ancient light, the beauty parted by the night. Grinding gear slowly moves our gaze.
So just as a single frame, this looks pretty good. Yeah. And the guiding, I'm super happy. If I'm below 1 arc second, I'm super happy. Yeah. So I'm doing 5 minutes, and this is with a 2.8 f2.8 system. So it's yeah, you get quite a lot of light in here. Also, there's no filter, so I'm sure there's a little bit of my neighbor's garden lights that comes in, and there's also clouds coming through. So I'm just doing this for testing the guiding, really. But anything else is a bonus. See how it looks on 400 seconds. Yeah, it always looks horrible, but you know. Yeah, pretty nice. Good little collection here. Sweet. That's it. So I'm gonna run. So the latest here is a door. So I was gonna use this shot because I'm just mumbling on a distance about taking sky flats or no regular flats, etc. Looking at histograms. But then this star came rolling in. Yeah, just claimed the show by its mere presence.
His name is Balti, and he is the best of friends. He misses you when you go and loves seeing you again. When you feel a little blue, his smile will cheer you up. And if you want to make him smile, you only need to call his name. Balti, Balti Booze.
So, here we are. We got a door, the roof works. I got this to reinforce it for snow stuff that works. We're nowhere near automation.